Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Twitter known as X sensitive content. First, open the Twitter, recently known as X app on your phone. Now tap on your profile picture in the top corner of the screen. Now tap on Setting and Privacy. From the menu, tap Privacy and Safety. Now tap on Content you see. Here look for the display media that may contain sensitive content. Make sure this option is turned on. This allows sensitive photo and video to appear. Sometimes the Twitter, recently known as X app, does not show all options. If you don't see this setting in the app, open Safari and go to the twitter.com. Log into your account here. After changing the setting, close the Twitter app completely and reopen it. Now sensitive content should be visible without the warning blocking it. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.